much empty. So I'm asking is like create a crude application for visitor management in a .NET 8 window. Please make sure all the dependent assemblies are compatible with 8.0. Add necessary validations, required components, etc. And use best practices to create application. Okay. And what I'm doing is, I think this is something important. Let's make sure. This build and what I'm doing, I'm just using the Claude Haiku 2.5, just hitting. This is again agent mode. We are keeping it to local right now. We do not have any such cloud operations. It's a local. Let me just what I'm doing. I just selected a plot over here. Okay, and let's start. What exactly is doing? So it existed with some there's sort of be some sort of issue. Not sure why, but so what I'm doing, I'm just copy it from. So I'm copying this. Okay, it's asking. Sure what exactly. I'm again pasting this one. Right now I'm just going with the local one, Claude Haiku, and just right. So now I see. Let us start it. First it is just so it has created 8 to-do list. So first it has CS approach allowing the session. So I'm not doing it's allowed for the sequential operations after that. So first it has created the project file, CS approach file, then it has added the models, inside it has added the visitor model. If you see, we can see the progress over here. Then right now what exactly doing? It is doing the DB context, it is creating great and context as well. So you see going to the data and DB context. So it will so it is using the mode first approach here. You see, so it is inheriting the DB context and then build. So it has created this much of properties over here, and what exactly it is doing? It is creating the repository pattern. So I visitor repository it has created. So we see this is repository which is inherited by this iVisitor repository. So it's there. So it has also added the loose coupling between them. So interface it is using. So basically that's a good thing. It will inject a dependency in the program.cs file mostly. And come on. Meanwhile, we can just check what exactly the best commands for Claude for a. So it has created the repository. Now it has also created the service. Maybe it is creating service. Right, so what exactly the service is right now? So it is creating. It's quite a bit fast. So it has created the service. What exactly it is doing? So it is handling the logging and calling the repository. And you see, this is excellent. So this is a very. I'm just want to check like it is adding the UI inside the same one or what exactly it is doing. So what is the UI? It hasn't created any UI. You've seen the program.cs. Added the console, table path. So the one scope. So you see the visitor. I'm not sure why it hasn't added that transient. Better with that. So it has created a console application. Is it? See. Keeping everything. Allowing the session. This grid form is not that much efficient. This Haiku model is. I do see like the Sonnet is more comfortable, more evolved version, and Opus is very evolved version. So if you have a very heavy task, then Opus will be very good. so it is doing migrations. So whatever the command is, but the way it is executing is not so good. Yeah, so it is running the application. Okay, so first name I'm just saying Ajay, last name is Patel, email address is aj@gmail.com, phone number is I'm just telling. Oh my god, what exactly it is doing? It closed console. Why? In between. It has added automatic states as well, but it was not expecting that it was like this. So just .NET build, so many things. I like this UI. It's a pure console UI. So great. What exactly it is doing right now? Okay, I'm allowing again, even if I allow for this particular session, it is every time asking me to allow. So that is not a convenient part for me. Just quickly waiting for this. Give me some quick logo. So it is taking time, substantial time. I say, not sure why, but it is taking time. Sure. There is a one approach that we can do, like in Visual Studio, we can just create a fresh application and then we can. So it will the headache of creating each and every file that will be lighter on that particular. Yeah, checking exactly this one. I just quickly see so what exactly it is doing. So you see, created a .NET 8.0 project structure, created a model entity, set up the EF core, created a repository with code operations, add validations and best practices, create an application entry point, build a project and run and test the applications. Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm waiting. Come on. Meanwhile, I can show you what exactly it has created, what exactly files I think we have already seen, but still. So this is the structure it has created, a very simple one. It has created this CS proj file that we are maintaining the Starkit framework versions. Then there is a program.cs file, where it has maintained everything like it is a kind of a front face for our applications. If you see, so very basic, I just quickly show you. So it has added the logging in our service collection. It has added a new service for adding logging. Then it has configured the DB context, and then it has added this repositories. So one is the service and second one is the repositories. So that is a good one. And then initialization of the database, it has done to initialize the database and has just added the code for migrate the database whenever is required. Then this is again a way to run application async. It has added, and as a here you see like async task run application async. So every time, so this the good part is it has created it as a async await. So every time I can just create a number of sessions and just send the data, right? So that's a great part. Then what exactly it is there? So it is while running, it is just displaying the main menu. What exactly the display main menu showing? So it has mentioned like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, up to 9, and what there are different actions are there. There are other few of the methods that it has created. Whatever the choice we do, handle registered visitor, handle view all, handle who checked in, handle check out, handle public visitor, handle delete visitor, handle search by department, handle statistics, many things that is created. Okay, simple. So I'm not sure why, but it's stuck on this particular step, taking a lot of time. So I just asked it to do it in the background, run and test the application. Not sure when exactly, but yeah. So this is global using. I'm not sure why it is using this global using, but it is right. So the structure is pretty much a little different than what I was expecting. I was more expecting on like a repository structure where there will be UI, there will be API, but I do not have mentioned. I just want see like what exactly it is thinking by doing this particular one, right? So end of file it is checking. It is taking so much of time. So I you see we have to go for some good alternative. Here is this visitor repository. It has added this one. So many methods. Right. So I'm tired. Okay. So what exactly I will do? I'm just stopping this one and let's see what exactly it has created. Okay. Just doing and just let me just build project. Now I'm just going more manual approach. So let's see what exactly it has created in this particular amount of time. Okay, .NET build. So command is right, but I'm not sure why it is not. Why it is taking this much of time for this? If I just quickly show you. So .NET, how long did this take? Like I'm just quickly creating a new terminal. Stopping this one. I'm so happy. Right, what I'm doing, I'm just doing myself. .NET build. Let's see what exactly it is doing. Yeah, restore has been done. System is up, build successful. .NET run. Not sure why it is taking too much of time. It is a pretty straightforward if you see. For build, it took almost 3.5 seconds. For running the application, it took only 9.5 seconds. Why it was taking this much of time? You see, I'm just showing you the code. So this is a pretty straightforward. It has created. First, I'm just going with the normal one. I'm just selecting name, Aman Gupta, email address, ag@gmail.com, phone number, this one, purpose to visit, this food delivery, post department, no idea, dash. So you see, this is under good. So it do not. So post department must be between 2 or 200 characters. So this is not so good. If now it has select option. So I do again have to do everything. No, that's a not so good idea. So I'm just right now the email address rg@gmail.com. Just do one thing. What exactly? It's taking. So as an added that. So what I'm doing, I'm just this has also. So the validations, it has kept most of the validation purpose of the receipt. No idea. So here you see valid phone number is required. So every time instead of giving me directly, I have to do Z3. Now this is a tedious. It's one. I'm just going this one, selecting any value, trying to what exactly it say? Again it failed. Let's see. No. 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 No, because it has not data for this. So this is a completely failed item with this. So I'm not much happy with this one. So it has created completely master. The structure it has created is quite a bit good, but the time it taken and everything is doing is very slow comparatively, and the system is created that is very unstable. And even though I have added so many of the words inside the my command, if you see, like, it's a code application, visitor management 4.8.0, please make sure the app dependent assemblies are compatible to 8.0 and necessary validation required company use the base practice to create develop and run the application. So it has created a structure, but the application is not reliable. So that's thing. I think we will join again with the new item, with the new everything, and see you soon, guys. Have a good time.